Okay, we've arrived back in Seavington St Michael and we've got some more work to do. We're going to take this lot out, this whole row of trellis and shrubs and God knows, and back down this way, all these buddleia. Have a look at it from the other side. We've got a Tirfor Winch with me in case we need to winch any of the roots out, but we're taking all the roots out as well, so they don't regrow. Okay. Buddleia in here, roses and clematis I think. Okay, we'll have a look at it later. Okay, we're about an hour and a half into the job. We've got most of the bulk in the trailer and this is where we're at the moment. We're going to have to winch these out. The pergola was bedded, or the rose arch, whatever you want to call it, was bedded. It's bedded in concrete, so just about to see it, I think, somewhere. Anyway, we'll have to tow that out. So this is how far we've got. Which is doing a splendid job. He's brought a packet of carrot seeds with him. Right. We'll have a look at it when we've finished. Okay, we're just winching one of the sides of the rose arch or pergola, and Richard volunteered to do the work. And here it comes. Coming slowly. We might have to reposition the strap in a minute because it's probably going to come off. But we'll pull it right out the ground when we've done that. Using a Tirfor winch, very good winch. Relatively inexpensive for what they can pull. There we go, we're going to have to reposition the strap. The strap's come off, but that'll be fine. We'll put it down the bottom here and pull the whole lot out. And the post, the main posts are bedded in concrete, so we're going to have to knock that off and bag that so it doesn't mix with the green waste. Okay, we'll have a look at it later. Okay, we've finished at Seavington. The wind's got up a bit. We've loaded up, packed up everything, all the tools, and that's what it looks like now. All gone. All gone. Look around this side, although there's no difference now. That's what it looks like.